Hello and welcome. Greg here from Jaguar Crewe dealership, bringing you this fantastic looking Jaguar XF saloon that is now available as part of our approved use program. This particular example is the XFS model, finished here in the optional Corris grey metallic color and powered by a whopping 3-litre V6 300 PS engine. In terms of equipment, there's plenty for you to enjoy. The imposing large front grille at the front is further complemented by automatic headlights, rain-sensitive wipers and even signature LED daytime running lights. As one of our approved used vehicles, it will benefit from minimum 12-month warranty and roadside assistance, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. Round the side, large 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels will offer a lovely contrast against the Corris grey colour. This model even features an optionally upgraded sliding panoramic roof, which is great for the summer months ahead. Round the side, keyless entry and start will be on offer, as well as privacy tinted windows in the back, adding over to the sporty, menacing look of this large saloon. Real party piece here is the upgraded Mars red leather upholstery, which really brightens up the whole cabin. There is seating available for 3 passengers in the rear, and they even feature their own heated rear seats functionality, which is great for longer trips further afield. Moving towards the rear of the cabin, large twin exhaust pipes will be on offer, as well as full LED taillights, giving you a distinctive look in the back. Although a saloon, the boot space is quite cavernous, offering loads of storage space for your suitcases and definitely shopping. Underneath here, there's even a space-saver spare wheel. A quick glimpse in the front cabin will also reveal a very premium offering, giving you access to an IDD interactive driver display digital dashboard, leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, as well as front seat will offer additional side lumbar support, and these are also electrically adjustable for added comfort. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Jaguar XF. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not give it a like now or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once in the driver's seat of this Jaguar XF, there's plenty for you to enjoy. The cabin will feel incredibly premium with red stitching on the dashboard, and the driver control panels are easy to operate. Giving you access to the upgraded Meridian sound system, there is even a 3-way memory function for the driver and passenger. The multifunction steering wheel is also heated for added bonus and has got various buttons for the trip and cruise control. The interactive driver display will offer high-definition graphics and offers you plenty on offer. There's bespoke driving modes such as rain, ice, snow for grip. Economy will prioritize efficiency and fuel economy, whilst the dynamic mode will prioritize a more sporty and engaging drive. Other great features on the system will also include a traffic sign recognition camera, and the display function will allow you to change the look of this completely, giving you a torch effect here, getting rid of the dials, or also a full widescreen map view, which is great to have when traveling on unfamiliar roads. There's also a number of active safety systems on offer, such as emergency city braking, as well as lane departure warning. In the center, a large 10-inch Touch Pro system will also have all your entertainment needs covered, giving you access to both 2D and 3D mapping to make sure you never ever get lost. Also, Bluetooth connectivity for your phone will be available, as well as all your music delivered via AM, FM and DAB digital radio. Front heated seats are also available for the front passenger and driver, with a 3-stage function to keep you warm during the cold weather. Other great features will include the benefit of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone interface, with even a built-in web browser. There's an iDynamic function available, which will truly allow you to optimize the sport settings of this vehicle to make it your own. To help with parking, Rear View Parking Camera offers a wide-angle view and is further complemented by front and rear parking sensors to avoid those nasty scratches to your bumpers. Moving down the cabin, physical buttons will operate the 2-zone climate control system and even comes with an offering of a heated front windscreen, great for those frosty mornings. Large storage and 2 large cup holders are available in the front, with the center armrest also offering built-in USB connectors, which are great for keeping your device's battery topped up at all times. The electric pan roof and electric sunshade can easily be operated at a single push of a button, fully retracting the sunshade blind. The roof itself has got a tilt function available for a little bit of light and air coming in, or a fully sliding reclining roof, whichever of the 2 options you prefer. This has been a presentation of the Jaguar XFS that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our friendly sales team today on 01270 864 386 or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to hearing from you.